This is an interesting problem, one that I thought I would share with you. One of my students had borrowed the machine and she was having trouble. See, it jams a lot, and two people returned it. One returned it, I loaned it to another, and then she said, oh, it's all messed up. See, look at what's happening. I just want to share with you. It's a very easy fix. It's the direction of the flow of thread in the bobbin. So see here, the thread is coming this way and then goes that way. But this arrow shows that the thread should be going that way. So let me adjust it and show you. So here I am putting the thread into the bobbin this way, right? All right, I'll finish that, and then let's pull this up. Okay, there it is, and then we do this, and we do that, and there we go. The machine does still sound a little rough, but oh, I ran out of bottom thread. What happened? Okay, trying this again because I'm not sure if that worked or not. Okay. Okay, looks good. No, didn't good. It didn't engage at all. What the heck? Okay, did not fix. Okay, the tension was on 5, which I think was probably a little high. So let's see if this fixes it. No, that's not fixing it. Wow, I've never seen this happen. I think I got it. She said the needle kept falling out, and it looks like the needle was in backwards. So I'm going to turn it right side out and see, or flip it around and see if that solves the problem. Okay, I think that solved the problem. Oh. So I think I can put the tension back up to 4 now. Yep. Beautiful. So there were 2 problems. One was this, the bobbin was in backwards, and the other was that the needle was in backwards. It was backwards day. Okay, rocking and a rolling.